I'm Megan Wagner, and I teach Introduction to Global and Cultural Perspectives in the Capstone International Center. This is a discussion-based class where students learn about and practice intercultural communication and are able to use the skills that they learned to apply to contemporary global issues as we move through the semester. I've chosen the hybrid method of delivery for class this fall, which actually is probably good for my discussion-based class because it will bring the number of students in the classroom each time we meet from 30 down to 15, which is a much more manageable discussion group, in my opinion. So all students will watch a lecture, a pre-recorded lecture that I will record using PowerPoint and Panopto prior to that week's activities. So everybody will watch a lecture that I'd say will have at least 75% of our weekly content on it. When the students come to class, either on Tuesday or Thursday, they will already have taken in that knowledge. So we will have our class time to discuss it, ask questions, follow up on reading that they were supposed to do, apply that to the concepts of the week, do case studies, work in small groups to the best of our ability. But really importantly, have discussion where everybody's opinions and life experiences and everybody's questions are able to be brought to the forefront. So I plan on having the same class on Tuesday and Thursday, but just with two separate groups of students. All of our quizzes, assignments, readings, everything that needs to be handed in, all of our discussion follow-ups and things will be on Blackboard, accessible to everybody. Our in-person classes can be recorded and will be when there is a student who has an excused absence, and I will record that lecture and probably send it to them in a UA box folder for them to access that class that they missed. If we, need to utilize the online Blackboard platform a little bit more, I already have the students broken up into the two smaller, more manageable groups in order to look at discussion boards and follow up as students may need to interact with each other on Blackboard. So that's the plan for Global and Cultural Perspectives in my section this fall.